Alright y'all, so we decided to go to Sam's to make a grocery haul. We stocked up on meats. They had a ton of good deals going on like they always do. Okay, y'all, I wanted to show this though. We went for toilet paper and paper towels and they were completely out. Like what? We are not doing this again. Look at these sweaters. Those are adorable. They were like a really soft material. So cute. I may have to go back for that gray one. Okay, I had to show the Christmas owl. That tree was cute and so cool. And they had these big doormats. They were huge. And those cute little campers that lit up. So cute. And of course they have all the trees. I didn't really see a ton, but maybe I wasn't looking in the right section. This was just one aisle. So, who knows? Okay, so we got ribs. You basically get 3 racks of ribs for $31, which is a really good deal. We got some steaks. We're not going to freeze them though. We got hamburger meat. It says there's 4 pounds in there. Did you know it was 4 pounds? It says 4 pounds of hamburger meat. Then we got chicken tenders, big pack of those, the chicken breasts, huge pack of these pork chops. We love getting those because there's tons in there that we can freeze. And then of course we got the chicken bites, some nuts, and we always stock up on ketchup there. And we are gonna freeze all of this stuff. I'm coming at you again. This is the super easy crock pot recipe. I don't know why that's still cooking. First of all, look how adorable this crock pot is. It's the new one at Target from Hearth and Hand, Joanna Gaines. I'm so obsessed with it. But anyways, so this is, you can already tell by what's out there. This is the most easiest and simple recipe ever. And it's not complicated at all. It takes very minimal ingredients. And once you have tried it this way, I promise you, you won't make it any other way. Because it tastes good and it's so easy. But it is Crockpot chili. It's my Crockpot chili. A lot of people love when I make it, and it's just crazy because it's so easy, but sometimes the simplest recipes are the best. But I've just ground this hamburger meat, so I'm going to add it to the crock pot, ground and drained it. Do y'all say hamburger meat or ground beef? I don't know. Here in the South, we say hamburger meat. Okay, so let's go ahead and add that into the crock pot. Okay, I don't feel like getting my big tripod out, so we're just going to do this step by step. But 1 pound of ground hamburger meat has been added to the crock pot. I'll add in a packet of chili spice. This one's kind of big, so I'm only going to do half of it. Next, we're going to add in light kidney beans. You only need 1 can. Do not drain them. Just pour the whole thing in. Okay, then you're going to need dark kidney beans. Do the same thing. Don't drain them, just pour them in. Okay, and then we're going to add in a can of diced tomatoes, just 1 can. And 1 can of tomato sauce. And then you're going to add in some water. So I just take this can and just fill it up with some water. I'm just going to stir everything up. You can decide for yourself if it needs more water to add for a little more soupiness. But I like mine kind of chunky and thick. Sweet thick girl. Anyways, I'm Just kidding. But yeah, there we go. Told y'all it is so easy. We do this all the time in the winter, especially when it gets nice and cold outside. I can throw this on and go to work in the morning, just ground my meat the night before and throw it all in there, and it is awesome. So good. Oh, and then we are gonna turn this on. I forgot to tell y'all that. We're gonna turn this on high about 6 hours. Well, let's do 4. We're gonna do 4 on high. That's the only thing about this crock pot is it doesn't have the digital timing. You do have to select between high or low 4 to 10 hours, but I think it is just perfect. And there you have it.